Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of TechTube. I hope you guys are alright, and in this video I am going to show you how can you access Watchlist and Crunchylist into your Crunchyroll application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to access your Watchlist and Crunchylist, you just simply have to open your Crunchyroll application. And after opening the Crunchyroll application, this homepage of Crunchyroll will be opened, and into here you will get a lot of options. Amongst them you will find my list option into here. Just simply click into the my list option, and into that option you will get your watch list directly. As you can see here, I have one piece into my watch list. Along with the watch list, you will also get the Crunchy list into here. You will find Watchlist and Crunchylist both at this same place at the My List section. Following these very easy steps, you can easily access your Watchlist and Crunchylist. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.